Welcome to MBD Alchemy's enchanting voyages of joyful learning. Ecademy is MBD's ICT classroom solution for schools that provides highly interactive teaching learning environment. MBD Alchemy's objective is to provide content enriched with advanced learning aids that takes classroom teaching learning experience to a new level. It includes classroom-based training modules, smart e-content, teacher support kit, and other support services. Log in through this screen by entering the required credentials. Backed with year-round support and timely updation of content and software, it covers all major subject areas for nursery to class 12. Select the class. Now select the subject that you wish to study. Select the chapter to view all the related concepts. As you select a particular concept, you will be directed to a screen that lists all the components of the concept. These include concept animations, interactive exercises, trivia or mind maps, printable worksheets, teachers' resources, and related information. Let's explore what each of these 6 components of a concept contains. Concept is the main animation, which contains the learning objective, concept, story or explanation, and a quick recap.
The first contestant is Sid.
Good morning. Today, I'm here to recite my body. My head is on top of my body. My body has nose, lips, and teeth. My body has 2 eyes and 2 ears. And also a neck, chin, and cheeks. All these are special to me.
Variety of interactive exercises in each concept, such as fill in the blanks, multiple choice questions, one-word answers, sorting and classifying, and drag and drop develop students' skills and enrich their learning. Mind map is given for English, while trivia is there for all other subjects. Trivia consists of interesting information, data or details related to the concept. A mind map is a graphical way to represent concepts that helps to better analyze, comprehend, synthesize, recall, and generate new ideas. 2 to 5 printable worksheets are there in each grade. The teacher can download the worksheet from here or can print its copies and distribute among the students to attempt the same. The teacher's resource include 1 model test paper per chapter, solution to model test paper and printable worksheets, and project work in downloadable PDF format. Related information tab includes extended learning, which helps to acquire knowledge and skills in addition to the required basic educational instruction, and word bank or glossary contains words with their meanings along with pictures. This tab allows you to quickly navigate through all the components of the module. Now let's look at the structure and navigation for MBD Alchemy's e-learning for nursery, LKG and UKG. Select the class. Now select the subject that you wish to study. As you select a particular concept, you will be routed to a screen that lists all the components of the concept. These include Concept Voyage, interactive exercises, teachers' resources, and related information. Concept Voyage is the main animation or story consisting of learning objective, main concept, and recap.
Herman is a tinker. He lives in a hut with his hen, Hilda, and horse, Helly. Early in the morning, Herman eats hot boiled eggs. He travels from place to place on his horse and fixes people's pots and pans with his hammer. Let's recap. H. Horse, hen, hut, hammer.
Interactivities. Interactive exercises let the child apply what he or she has learned as well as connect the concept to a wider or higher learning objective across subject areas. Teachers' resources. In Teachers' resources, there will be 2 worksheets per module in PDF format provided along with answers. Also, there will be a PDF containing the learning objective as well as useful tips, pedagogical practices, and web links for the teacher. Related information. Related information contains additional information or exercises to solidify the learning. Ecademy integrates the best of traditional education with modern learning using the latest interactive technologies and simultaneously keeping in view the standard learning requirements.